Did you know that just looking at a dog can instantly boost your happiness levels? Yep, science says so. But here's a more important question. Why on earth are dog photos so unbelievably irresistible? Today, we're going on a mission to find out, with 50 of the cutest, funniest, and most heart-melting dog photos ever taken. Let's be honest. The internet is full of dog photos. Some adorable, some hilarious, and some that probably should have stayed in the drafts folder. But finding truly heart-touching, endearing dog photos, the ones that make you stop scrolling and go, "Aw," well, that's harder than it looks. Every day, millions of dog photos get uploaded. That's a lot of barking, wagging, and derpy faces to sort through. But today, I've done the work for you. We're handpicking the absolute best, the most wholesome, the most expressive, and the kind that make you want to squeeze your screen. So the challenge is simple. Out of these 50 adorable moments, can we actually choose one that stands above the rest? Let's get started. Alright, let's dive in, starting with the tiny floofs category. You know, the kind of puppies that look like living marshmallows. Oh, look at that face. How do you even say no? Which was your favorite so far? Let me tell you a fun fact about dogs. A dog's nose print is as unique as a human fingerprint. Right, moment of truth. After 50 adorable, chaotic, hilarious, heartwarming photos, this one really stood out. Perfection. The expression, the lighting, the innocence. It's the kind of photo that makes your heart melt instantly. But hey, that's just my pick. Maybe your favorite was something completely different. If these 50 dog photos didn't brighten your day, then you might need 50 more. Dogs bring so much joy, love, and laughter into our lives. And even a single photo can remind us of that. Now I want to hear from you. Comment below with your favorite dog breed or tell me which photo stole your heart today. And if you want more adorable dog content, fun facts, and wholesome moments, make sure you check out the next video popping up right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a smile.